have something to learn from Mr. Stockley's conjuring star. And we all say, oh well, it never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. He's white and smoke, he's black. From the earth to the tip of his tail, he can creep through the tiniest crack. He can walk on the North Rail. He can pick any car from the back. He's equally cunning with eyes. He's always deceiving you into believing that he's only counting for mice. He can plainly drink with a cork or a spoon of a fish paste. If you look for a knife or a fork, and if it was more misplaced, having seen one moment and then it is gone, but you find the sweet laying out in the lawn. And we all say, oh well, it never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh well, it never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh well, it never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh well, it never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. His manner is big and aloof. You think there's no desire, but it will hang heard on the roof when he was curled up by the fire, and he sometimes be heard by the fire when he was about on the roof. At least we'll heard that Sunday part, which you think the devil will approve. Of his single magic powers, I've known the family call. He means the garden flowers when he was asleep in the hall. And the long ago the phenomenal cat producing 7 kittens right out of a hat. And we all say, well, he never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh well, he never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. And no long ago a phenomenal cat produces 7 kittens right out of a hat. And we all say, well, he never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh well, he never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh well, he never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh well, he never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Oh well, he never was there ever. I got so clever as magical Mr. Mistopheles. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the marvelous